In this tutorial, we will find out how large language models generate text. All right, so here we've got a large language model and we're going to input a prompt. What is the tallest mountain? Now, all of this text will go into the input of the large language model. It will do its mathematical operations, and as the output, it will produce just one most likely next word. How does the large language model know the most likely next word? Well, it's seen lots and lots of text on the internet, text from lots and lots of books, text from Wikipedia, and so on and so on. And so it's seen lots of different scenarios of how words follow each other. And even though it doesn't know this exact sentence off by heart, it does know how to predict what is likely to come next based on everything that it's seen. And the most likely next word in this case is the word the. Just keep in mind, the most important thing here is that it only generates just one word. Next, it takes all of the input we gave it as a prompt plus whatever is created so far, which is the word the, and all of that goes into the input of the large language model. And as the output, it again produces the most likely next word for this new sequence, including the new word it had generated. Now, we've got the word tallest. And again, it's only produced one word this time. Again, it'll take everything that we have so far plus the new words, the tallest, and all of that will go as an input. The mathematics will be carried out, and as the output, it will produce the most likely next word, which in this case is mountain. And it will keep doing that, taking everything we have as input and producing just one word at a time, until it gets to a point where instead of producing the most likely next word, it produces what is called the end of sequence token. And it produces it the same way. It is predicting that most likely this is the part where, this is the point in time where the sequence should end. So this is a prediction telling itself that it should stop generating text. And this end of sequence token, we don't see it. We won't be shown the end of sequence token. It's in the background. It's just a signal to the large language model that based on its predictions, it should stop generating now. And that's when it'll stop. And that's where we will get this output to our prompt. What is the tallest mountain? The output will be the tallest mountain is Mount Everest. So the key takeaway here is that large language models by design are intended to predict just the next most likely word in the input sequence. And then they take everything we've input plus whatever they've outputted so far and it goes back in and it predicts the next word. So it's a very iterative process until you get to the end of sequence token. And that's how large language models generate text.